If your iPad is disabled or unavailable mode, connect your device in DFU mode and check these two options: auto activate and skip setup and start flashing. Don't skip any step. I already fast forwarded all long steps. Your flashing is complete, but do not disconnect your device and wait here. Soon you will get the message: congratulations, your device is successfully activated. Thanks for watching, friends. Like and subscribe.